Hello everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you are a NEET aspirant or a parent, I truly understand the effort and dedication it takes to reach this stage. Behind this moment are months, even years of hard work, discipline and hope. And at the center of it all is a simple dream to become a doctor. At this point, I would like to ask you something important. What if your NEET score is good, but you still do not get the right medical college? It may sound concerning, but this situation is more common than many people expect. Every year there are students who perform well, yet face challenges during the admission process. The reason is not a lack of ability. In most cases, it is because the process itself can feel complex and difficult to understand. After NEET, students need to navigate All India Counselling, state-level counselling, private medical colleges, deemed universities, various quota systems. Each of these comes with its own rules, fee structures, and timelines. Without proper clarity, it is easy to feel unsure about the next step. At this stage, even small mistakes can have a significant impact. Incorrect choice filling, missing important deadlines, not understanding cutoff trends properly. In some cases, this may even result in losing a full academic year. This is where proper guidance becomes very important. At Admission Zone, our aim is to simplify this process for you. For over a decade, we have been assisting students and parents in making informed admission decisions. We believe that capable students should not miss opportunities due to lack of clarity. We support you step by step, explaining the counseling process in a clear and simple manner, suggesting suitable colleges based on your rank, budget, and preferences, keeping track of important updates so nothing is missed, assisting with choice filling, which is a critical stage, providing clear and honest information throughout. We always encourage students and parents to make informed decisions. You are welcome to review feedback from students and families who have taken our guidance. Their experiences reflect the work we do. Before we move ahead, I would like you to imagine something. You wearing a white coat, your parents feeling proud, and being addressed as a doctor. That journey begins with the right decision and the right time. I would also like to speak to those students who may feel their NEET score is lower than expected. Please do not feel discouraged. There are still options available such as private medical colleges, deemed universities, management quota, NRI quota. It is true that these options generally involve higher fees. However, with proper understanding and careful planning, there may be opportunities to manage the cost more effectively and avoid unnecessary expenses. Many students are not fully aware of these aspects and may make quick decisions without complete information. At Admission Zone, our focus is to guide you responsibly, helping you understand suitable college options, explaining the fee structure clearly, supporting you in making well-informed financial decisions. Our goal is simple: to help you choose the right college with clarity and confidence. Contact. If you feel you need guidance, you may reach out to us anytime. Call us at 7599994403, 920-5488-482, 0120-408-1786, or visit us at www.directnbbsadmission.in or www.neetndmsadmission.com. Admission Zone. We are here to support you in making the right decision for your future. Thank you, and I wish you all the very best.